Since the beginning of time, we as humans have always struggled with one thing: carrying our belongings. The pouches today do the job, but with some major shortcomings. Fabrics used are often static and therefore limit the amount of things you can use it for. Zippers, clips, and buttons are a hassle. And on top of that, construction is often thin and offers little to no protection for your belongings. But no more. Introducing the pouch. Designed from the ground up, the pouch is the first of a new generation of products that will revolutionize the way that you pack and carry your belongings. Our newly designed closure system, nicknamed the Hood, brings ease and efficiency to your life by removing the hassle that came with old closure systems. The Hood allows you to close the pouch with ease like never before. Regardless of its size, it is simple as a fold and tuck, and the pouch is secure. The pouch is able to stretch and morph around whatever you put inside, be it 2 things or a lot of things. The pouch will adapt to its contents for a perfect fit, and thus provide you with the versatility to carry anything. Drops and impacts are no longer an issue, as the pouch is specifically designed to absorb impacts. In addition to this, the pouch is also water, dirt, and sand resistant, providing you with the peace of mind that your valuables are always protected. The pouch is stitched together using an advanced stitching method which utilizes 3 separate threads. This results in a drastic increase in strength over conventional methods. The versatility of the pouch is never ending. Hold it, put it in your backpack, use it when you're traveling. It's all up to you. Use it your way, every time. No compromises. So now it is up to you. Pledge to our campaign and be the first in the world to receive this revolutionary pouch. And at the same time, save some money with our Kickstarter only price and free international shipping. Pledge now.
You may know us from one of our 4 previous Kickstarter campaigns. Wandered started out with 2 brothers, shortly after added a 3rd, and is now a small, thriving team of passionate travelers, photographers, and explorers. While our company and team are consistently growing and changing, our reason for coming back to Kickstarter remains the same: to create products that inspire people to get out and live passionately, exploring, creating, and living life in the moment. Every seasoned traveler has experienced the need for a smaller, more compact bag than the one that got them to their destination. A bag for side trips, day trips, morning hikes, grocery runs, and whatever other small excursions come your way. And so the packable bag was born. But the problem is most packable bags are uncomfortable, non-functional, and don't protect your gear. And that's where we come in. The Veer 18-liter pack is the first packable bag with an inflatable camera cube and back panel, and gives you the right balance between having enough bag and keeping it minimal, whether you're a photographer or not. The Protect Air inflatable camera cube can inflate when you need it and deflate when you don't. Once the camera cube is inflated, there is an elastic mesh that cradles the cube perfectly against the back panel, helping keep the weight of your gear securely against your back. This packable camera protection is the first of its kind. It ensures your camera is safe from the other gear inside your pack and protects against the bumps and bruises that most adventures entail. Traditionally, packable bags are uncomfortable, but our inflatable back panel makes all the difference. It adds structure to the bag, and, coupled with our cool air mesh shoulder straps and removable sternum strap, makes loads feel much lighter than they actually are. Having access to your gear is key. One large side zip gives you access to the entire main compartment, so whether you're grabbing your camera or a jacket, the bag never has to leave your shoulder. We have also included an expandable water bottle pocket that can hold up to a 32-ounce bottle, organization pockets on the front, and top of the bag, and a key clip. And of course, when the bag is not in use, you can pack it into its own pocket, making it easier to store or travel with. The key clip also makes it simple to clip onto another bag. Outside of a well thought out and designed bag, you can rest assured knowing it is made out of high quality materials. The body of the bag is made of a water resistant 100 denier Robic Dynatech that is made to last. All the zippers are weather resistant and give you that extra boost of confidence that your gear will be kept safe. As with all of our gear, the Veer 18 comes with our Wander More, Worry Less lifetime guarantee, which is fitting because you'll never want to give it up. This is the most innovative bag we have ever made and the biggest leap forward since we launched on Kickstarter 3 years ago. It was made to inspire people to get out and live passionately, exploring, creating, and living life in the moment. Get your Veer 18 and get exploring by clicking the green button and backing our campaign.
First, man slouched. Then, he stood. Then, he realized he was wrong to stand and just wanted to rest, so he created the chair. Then, nothing really important happened for a couple of years, then came hover chair. A hanging chair you can take anywhere. Your backyard? Of course. A cool forest hangout? Damn straight. A hike to the Amazon? Not that Amazon, the scary one? Yep, check. Hoverchair is portable, and just like everything else these days, when it's packed up, it's really small. Setting up Hoverchair is super easy. 60 seconds and it's up and sitting. Now that's evolution everyone can agree on. When you're sitting in a Hoverchair, it just feels like, it's so comfortable. Why is it so comfortable? Well, there's the self-inflating seat and soft mesh back, but most of all, it hangs. Remember when the Wright brothers invented the plane? That's a great invention, but no one flies every day. With Hoverchair, you can hover every day on an air-cushioned seat fit for a king. And there's an extra foot hammock for your feet. Should your feet not rest? Do you hate your feet? Now, after you've experienced hovering, try Hoverchair's advanced feature we like to call swinging. Yes, that's it. How great is that? Better than flying? Of course not, but still great. To be the next step in chair evolution, Hoverchair needs to be more than compact, comfy, fun, and easy to hang. And it is more. So much more. Hoverchair has pockets to put stuff you may need while enjoying the greatest seat ever created. There are also 2 loops to tie whatever needs tying. Tie your shoes, tie your hat, your son. We're kidding, don't tie your son. Can we tie your son? No? Okay. You can also add an LED light. Or a tablet holder to have light. Or a tablet. Hoverchair is created by Crua, a company with an outstanding record in crowdfunding and delivering amazing outdoor gear. They made sure that Hoverchair's materials are top of the line, strong, sewn tight, and breathable, so you don't break a sweat while you break a rest. Hoverchair is machine washable and comes with a 2-year warranty, because the Crua team is confident you won't need it. So if you want to enjoy the best seat anywhere, get Hoverchair and join the revolution of chair evolution. Mic drop into side pocket.
This all-in-one hammock system provides unmatched comfort off the ground. Lightweight fabrics, durable hardware,
Now and then, we all like to enjoy a campfire. But it's not always that easy to bring a big and heavy fire pit. That's why we wanted to create a solution that is easy and convenient to take with you wherever you go. Meet Folding Fire, the lightweight and foldable fire pit. She's the perfect companion for those who love camping and spending time outdoors. She's portable, easy to use, and a must-have for all your adventures. To make Folding Fire even more enjoyable, we have designed a foldable grill that can be installed on top of the fire pit within seconds. Perfect for those who enjoy a barbecue as much as a campfire. Folding Fire is made of strong and high-quality materials. The foldable frame provides a sturdy base for the steel fiber blanket that carries the fire. We strongly believe that Folding Fire is a great product. She's made for you, your family, and all your friends. Because Folding Fire is so much more than just a fire pit.